What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today, as you can tell, we're gonna be watching some very satisfying instant karma moments, so please leave a comment and subscribe and all of that good stuff. And yeah, with that said, let's dive into this now. Right, let's get started. Oh, that's a yellow, you're pushing your luck there, all of you, but I'm not blaming them. No, oh, that's a clean red. Get him, boys. He was like, hey, yo, boys, wait for me. He just didn't want to feel left out, you know. Bless him. Oh, hello there, Russian 5-0. Long time no see. It's like every time you see a Russian license plate, you know it's gonna be good. Oh, oh! Congratulations, you just played yourself. Out of all those out of all those people, you decide to cut off a cop car.
Yes!
Looks like for our dashcam guy this is exceptionally satisfying, which is a good thing. Let's move on. Oh, you should have waited. There's a popo right there. And now the cop is thinking my shift is ending in 10 minutes, so should I go for him or no? Oh, okay, I'll go. Or that stupid guy on AVCH channel is gonna roast me for not doing anything. So, anyways, moving on. Again, we are in Russia.
Yes! 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 No! No! No!
You can't escape the long arm of Russian law. It is what it is. Oh, that's a lot of heat, definitely. Here we have a old timer who is refusing to cooperate. He's like, you're never gonna catch me alive, coppers. But as we can see, he's taking his time, so at least it's not a high-speed pursuit. And the cop is going for a pit maneuver, and BAM! He's in the mud. That old caddy or whatever the hell that was is cancelled. It's no more. Done. Oh, that's rude. That's rude. And it's not a brilliant idea to brake check a truck. Oh! It's the French Rosers. Pull over, you croissant looking mo. Okay, let's see here. So far so good. Oh, hello. Koja ispala, brate. Sometimes the genius of a BMW driver is frightening, really. Or his VIP, I do whatever the hell I want on the road pass has expired. But anyhow, this guy doesn't believe in speed and power. He thinks if he drives slow enough, the police is gonna get bored eventually. Oh, he's like, okay, have it your way, I'm gonna stop. I surrender. Or am I?
Stop, bro.
He's like, sayonara, losers. Oh, this is epic biblical stuff right there. And may I add, this is the most relaxing pursuit ever. Just look at this. He's probably going under the speed limit, so it's not really a reckless driving, you know. And now he's like, oh crap. Of course he called for backup. I haven't thought this through, haven't I? Alright, let's see here. Oh, he's going a little bit over the speed limit, I believe. Nothing crazy, really. But of course the sharp eye of law has spotted him, and they are now on his tail. Let's see if he's gonna run away or he's gonna pull over. Let's see. Fast forward a bit. Is he running, or I can't tell for sure. Oh, looks like he's pulling over, so it's all good, all good. He might just get away with a warning because it was nothing crazy, really. On to the next one. I believe this is a school zone if I have a right info. And it looks like someone's in a hurry. And when you see a cop car making a U-turn, that's usually a bad sign. But let's see how this will unfold. And the funny thing is, in my country, in school zones, they drive 80 kilometers per hour, and then when they should be driving 100, they drive like 30. So it's all messed up, you know. Oh, whoa, dude. Be careful, man. Oh, looks like you've been spotted. You're gonna get a ticket, mate. And he fully deserves it because he didn't even say sorry.
That's why I'm not blazing through here.
That's kinda, you know, disgusting. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Are you guys alright?
You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. I know this one doesn't involve the police, but still he got what he deserves. You can't just pull up in front of someone like that. It's dangerous, man. But anyways, let's see here. Over here. That means someone's gonna get a ticket. And I believe that black SUV is the one. Yep. I don't really know what he gained by doing that, but in reality, sometimes the slower is faster, if you know what I mean. Now he's gonna lose even more money, so whoa, that's a bit fast. But the cops are like, are you challenging me? I can do that speed too. And if I lose this race, I'm just gonna arrest you for reckless driving. Imagine if that happened. Oh, straight through the red.
What was that?
Yeah, that was a straight red.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Yeah! Yes!
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Alright, let's see here. I believe we are in Aussie land. Oh, Tokyo Drift, yo. We all have that one friend. And that friend is me. Anyways, where is the Pope? Oh, there we go. They're having none of it. They're like, get over here, you little pleb. And once again, we are in snowy Russia. That was an illegal overtake. I fear no man, but that sound, it frightens me. Like really, if you hear that, you know you're done. And oh yeah, I just remembered the question. Can you bribe an officer on a traffic stop in your country? I would like to know that. I need it for a research. Anyways, let's see here. That Subaru pulled a dumb move, not gonna lie. The cop was right there, man. I don't know how he didn't see him. He was literally right beside him. It's like he was asking for a ticket. Or maybe he was, who knows? There are strange people out there. Let's see what we have here. Oh, he's like power through the red light in front of the cops, and the cops are not happy with him right now because they were finishing the donuts they bought, but now it's all ruined because of him, and they're gonna arrest him and put him to jail for the rest of his life.
Oh my God.
End of the story.
Yeah, really.
And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and also whack that like button and subscribe as well if you're keen to see more of this. And yeah, leave a comment as well, don't forget to do that. And yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, ciao ciao. And watch out for the police.
Wow.
I'm clapping.
Karma.